Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2008 IT paper. Here they have given a few lines of code and they are asking us what should be the contents of array B at the end of the program. Okay, here they declared two local variables I and J and a character array of size 2 by 3, 2 by 3, meaning that two rows and three columns, right? So it's having the contents as a b c d e f. I am assuming that its address is 100 and character type 1 byte, 102, 103, 104, 105, and how to represent two dimensional array. You can able to go through the previous videos, right? So the array name is a. It's having the address as 100, it's having the address as 103. It will be connected like this. This is the representation of two dimensional array. Okay, next they declared one more character array, that is b array of size 3 by 2, meaning that 3 rows and 2 columns, and 2 columns. Okay, fine. This is the array name as b. Next, they have used character pointer p equal to b pointer, meaning that they are trying to assign the address of b to p, address of b to p. For example, as I said, my representation like this, right? So assuming that this address is going to start from 500, then this is 501, 502, 503, 504, 505. So here you will have 500, it will be connected like this. It will be 502, it will be connected like this, and 504 connected like this, and this will be connected by this one. So it's having 500. 500. So here char star p, meaning that one star they applied, one star if they applied, you will get the 500. That 500 is copied into a pointer called p, means once it got the 500, it will be connected to again to this particular location, okay. Now now they have declared one for loop. I think this for loop is going to end here. Yes, this is going to start with 0 value and it's going to iterate for 0, 1, 2, and inner for loop is also there. That means it is also iterated from 0, 1, 2. Okay, and they have declared clear one statement here. I will write separately. Star of p plus 2 into j plus I equal to a of ij. Guys, you can simply observe this for loop how they are iterating. So for I equal to 0, I mean this is a of 0 by 0 and a of 0 by 1, a of 0 by 2. This is first for loop, right? So means you can write this one as p plus 2 into j value is 0, I value is 0, star of p plus 2 into j value 1, a value is 0, star of p plus 2 into 2 plus 0. This is the first iteration. And for I equal to 1, sorry, this should not be for up to 2 because 2 less than 2 condition fail. For I equal to 1, your condition is star of p plus. Guys, I can able to write directly, but for your understanding I am writing explanation. P plus 2 into j value is 0 plus I value 1, that is a of 1 by 0, a of 1 by 1. Why I have mentioned then a of 1 by 2? This is not there, right? No, no. J value is going to iterate for up to 2 ma, and I value only for 0, 1. A of 1 by 2, a of 1 by 2. Okay, here you can take p plus 2 into 1 plus 1 star of p plus 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, means, so if you calculate this one, what is p here? P contains the value 500. 500 plus 0 is 500. Star 500 what? Means this particular statement I can rewrite like this. Star 500 equal to a of 0 by 0. A of 0 is this one. This is a of 0. By 0 means a. Right? Star 500, I can place the value a. Value a. If you calculate this one, 500 plus 2. 500 plus 2. 500 plus 2 into 1, that is star 502. In place of star 502, what I need to place? A of 0 by 1, that is B. Similarly, in place of star 504, I have to place A of 0 by 2, that is C. Meaning that in place of star 500, I place A, star 502 I will place B, star 504 I will place C. Guys, so you can observe here ABCD. Similarly, here also you will get star 500 plus 1. That means star 501 equal to A of 1 by 0. A of 1 is this, 0 is D. A of star 503, you are going to get E, star 505 you are going to get EF, means D, E, F. And what should be the contents of array B at the end of the program? So if they are trying to print its values, the content of B is, uh, it's look like this, AD, BE, CF, right? So option B contains AD, BE, CF. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.